Welcome to this demonstration video on the New South Wales Online Registry. This demonstration will briefly step you through the online process of saving and managing credit and debit cards for repeated use.
Forms awaiting payment.
Once you have completed a form, if there is a fee, you will be directed to the Forms Awaiting Payment screen. You can make a payment for the completed form right away, or you can return to the payment screen and complete the payment at a later time. Be aware that the form will not be submitted until payment is made. If you need to return to the payment screen at a later time, you can access the screen by clicking the Forms Awaiting Payment option after logging in to your online registry account. Select the forms you want to pay for. You can select up to 100 forms per transaction.
The user selects one.
Then click Next.
Confirm selection.
Confirm the selected forms, then click Next to continue.
Card details.
Enter the details of the card to be used for this transaction. Payment will be accepted by Visa credit or debit, MasterCard credit or debit, American Express, and Diners.
The example user enters the cardholder name Jane Jones, a credit card number, and an expiry date of December 2015.
Then click Next.
Confirm payment.
Be sure to confirm the form selected, the payment total, and the payment details before submitting the payment. The payer name is the name which will appear on the tax invoice. It may be different from the cardholder name. If you need to change the payer name, use the drop-down list to select from the options available. Notice in the Payment Details section, there is an option to Save Card. This option allows you to save the card details for future use. This option will be selected by default. Saved card details are stored in a Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard PCI DSS system and are not available to other court department systems or viewable by staff members. Click Pay to continue.
The user clicks Pay.
The confirmation screen with receipt of the payment is displayed. Once a card is saved, you can use the details for future payments. We will return to the Forms Awaiting Payment screen and submit another form, this time with a saved card.
Forms awaiting payment.
Select the forms to pay, then click Next.
Confirm and pay.
When you have a card saved, the card will be available when making a payment. You can have up to 3 cards saved. Your saved cards will be listed, and you can select the card you want to use when completing a transaction. If you do not want to use one of your saved cards, you can select Pay by Card and enter the card details. Select your payment option, then click Pay.
The user clicks Pay.
The confirmation screen with receipt of payment is displayed. If you need to make changes to your saved cards, you can do so through the Manage Profile screen. On the Manage Profile screen, you will see the Registered Card Details section. For security, saved cards will only display the last few digits of the card number. If you have less than 3 cards saved, you can use the Add Card button to save additional cards. If you want to remove a saved card, you can click the X next to the card details. Note that you will not be able to edit a saved card. If the details are incorrect or they need to be updated, you will need to delete the saved card and add it again with the correct details. If you have more than one saved card, you can select the card to use as the default payment method. The default card will be the selected option when making a payment, but the other cards will be available for selection as needed. Thank you for taking the time to view this demonstration. We hope that it has helped guide you through making a payment and saving cards on the online registry.
onlineregistry.lawlink.nsw.gov.au